Hello everyone, welcome to Canon Coffee. Here we have the delonghi magnifica espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because the steam knob was broken and it was not turning as well. So we basically had to replace not only the steam knob itself but the whole adapter. This valve was just very hard to turn, and it was actually the one that stripped the threads of the older knob. When we opened the machine, we found that there were cracks on the spout, so this is a new spout that we replaced in the machine. We also did a tune-up on the machine, replacing the infuser. And just to show you the condition of the machine, I'm gonna show you some pictures, but first we're gonna test it out with one shot of espresso. Good water flow coming out of the machine. The grind is the coarsest setting. That's the reason we didn't saw that much crema. So we're gonna redo it again, and we're gonna adjust the grinder while the grinder is running. You adjust the grinder while the grinder is running, so you don't force it and you don't break it, basically. As you can see, we have a now better flow rate, and the color of the coffee is now pretty great. 1 ounce of water, excellent. And this was the previous condition of the machine. We end up cleaning pretty much everything, as well as the door, and replacing the O-ring of the generator and re-lubricating the transmission. Now for the steam. Build up some pressure. As you can see, the steamer working perfectly fine. And there you have it, the delonghi magnifica working once again. So thank you for preparing Canon Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.